In today's video, I'll show you how to create a smooth zoom in and zoom out effect using CapCut on your computer. This simple technique can bring more focus and movement to your videos, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening CapCut on your desktop and importing the video you want to work with. Once your clip is on the timeline, drag the playhead to the point where you want the zoom in effect to begin. This marks the starting position of the effect. Now make sure your video layer is selected, then go to the top right corner of the screen. Under the Video tab, click on Basic and look for the Transform section. In this section, you'll find a small diamond icon labeled Add Keyframe. Click it to place your first keyframe on the timeline. You'll see a diamond appear at the current playhead position, indicating that a keyframe has been added. Next, move the playhead a few seconds forward. This is where the zoom effect will reach its full size. With the same video still selected, go back to the Scale option under Transform and use the slider to increase the size. This creates a second keyframe automatically, and now your video will smoothly zoom in from the first to the second point. If you'd like the zoomed in look to stay for a while before zooming back out, move the playhead further along the timeline and click Add Keyframe again to lock in the zoomed in position. Then move the playhead a bit further and lower the scale back down to its original value. This creates the final keyframe that tells CapCut to zoom back out. Now when you play the video, you'll see it zoom in, hold for a moment, and then zoom back out, just like that. With just a few keyframes, you've added a professional zoom effect to your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.